Welcome, my dear friend, to the English Academy. If you are the kind of person who always gives excuses like, I don't have time to study, I am poor, my parents never studied, or I am not lucky, then today's story is exactly for you. Because today I'm going to tell you about a man who had no money, no education, and not even enough to buy a simple train ticket. Yet he built one of the most powerful car companies in the world, Hyundai. This is the story of Mr. Chung Ju-young, the founder of Hyundai, who proved that no matter how big your problems are, your dreams can still be bigger. Chung Ju-young was born in 1915 in a very small poor village in North Korea. His family was so poor that they could not even afford to buy enough food. His father wanted him to become a farmer and help on the family field. But deep inside, Chung had a dream to study, to work, and to see the world beyond his small village. He wanted to learn new things and make his life better. Every day he looked at the trains passing by and thought, one day I will travel on that train and make something great in my life. But his father said, education is not for us, we are poor people, we can't waste time studying. Those words broke his heart, but not his dream. When he was just 16 years old, Chung made a brave decision. He decided to leave home secretly and go to the city. He had no money, no bag, no friends, just a few coins in his pocket and a big dream in his heart. He couldn't even buy a train ticket, so he walked miles and miles barefoot to reach the city. Can you imagine that? A poor boy walking with no food, no rest, just faith and courage. That's how real success stories begin. Not with comfort, but with struggle. In the city, he started working in a rice shop, carrying heavy bags all day long. He earned very little, but he learned a lot. He learned discipline, honesty, and how to deal with people. Later, he worked as a mechanic, repairing cars. He loved machines, and he started to dream again. One day, I will make my own company. But life was not easy. He failed many times, was cheated by people, and sometimes didn't even have money for food. Yet, every time he fell, he stood up again. After years of struggle, Chung Ju-young opened a small garage with his own hands. People used to laugh at him and say, how can a poor farmer's son build a company? But he ignored them and kept working. Slowly, his honesty and hard work made people trust him. His small garage became a small company, and then a big one. That company was named Hyundai, which means modern in Korean. He started with construction, but his dream didn't stop there. He wanted to build cars made by his own country, Korea. People told him it was impossible, that he was not educated enough, that only big foreign companies could make cars. But he said something powerful, you don't need a degree to dream, you need courage to make your dream real. And that courage made history. In 1967, he founded Hyundai Motor Company. The first car he made was called the Hyundai Pony. It became a huge success. From that one car, Hyundai became a world-famous brand. Today Hyundai sells millions of cars in more than 190 countries. But what is more inspiring is not the company itself, it's the journey of the man behind it. A man who once couldn't buy a train ticket, now had his cars running across the world. Chung Ju-young once said, I was born poor, but I will not die poor. These words show his mindset. He believed that poverty is not a permanent condition, it's a starting point. Being poor is not your fault, but staying poor is your choice. Many people keep giving excuses. I'm not lucky, I don't know English, I don't have a good background. But the truth is, every successful person started from zero. They didn't wait for the right moment, they created it. So my dear friend, if you are listening to this story, remember this. Stop giving excuses. Start giving effort. Don't wait for anyone to push you. You are your own best motivation. Every small step you take towards your goal matters. If you are learning English, keep practicing. If you want to change your life, start today. Because no one will come and do it for you, you have to do it yourself. In English we say, excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. Think about it. Every time you make an excuse, you are building another wall that blocks your success. But every time you try, learn, or take action, you break that wall down. Success is not about luck. It's about persistence. The man who walked miles without a ticket didn't stop. and that's why the world knows his name today. Maybe today you are struggling. Maybe life is not easy for you right now. But remember, even the tallest building starts with a single brick. Your dreams are like that building. Start with one brick of action, one brick of courage, one brick of learning. One day, people will look at you and say, "This person had nothing, but made everything." So my dear friend, never underestimate yourself. You are capable of more than you imagine. Keep learning, keep believing, and keep growing. If a poor farmer's son can build Hyundai, then you can build your dream too. You just have to believe that you can. Thank you for watching this video on the English Academy. If this story inspired you even a little, then please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the English Academy, and press the bell icon so that you never miss another motivational English story. And now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me one excuse you will stop using from today. Maybe your comment can inspire someone else too. Remember, excuses will never change your life, but effort will. Keep learning English, keep improving yourself, and keep your faith alive. See you soon in the next story, my dear friend. Until then, stay motivated, stay positive, and remember, your future is in your hands.